Logo, LG. Text, Life's Good.
How to rotate the screen on an LG phone.
A Google search page on a mobile phone.
Auto screen rotation enables your LG phone to change the screen orientation from portrait to landscape mode when you turn the phone sideways and then back again.
The instructor turns the phone sideways and then back upright.
This feature can be very useful when viewing certain images or reading.
She swipes down on the home screen of the phone.
To enable or disable auto screen rotation, swipe down from the notification panel on the home screen. Then press and pull down on the notification shade quick settings to expand it.
She taps on the sideways phone icon.
Tap on the rotation icon. Auto rotation is enabled when you tap the icon and it turns blue.
The icon turns blue.
To disable, tap again, so the icon is no longer highlighted blue. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.
Logo, LG. Text, Life's Good. Learn more at lg.com.